Hey everybody, welcome back to Nico Brothers, and we're just continuing to build on our burnt RV. Man, we say that quite often, don't we? But hey, it's not a problem. Like I said, we got that back room we got to gut out. Let's get it torn down and get this thing back on the road again. Let's see what's going on. I really want to check out the hydraulic leveling on it, make sure that works. Check out the slide out, see if that's going good. But for now, let's just go ahead and keep getting dirty, get this thing cleaned out. Got my flashlight. It's dark in there. Kind of scary looking. Not a big deal. We'll get it knocked out. Get it knocked out. I think I'm just gonna take this wall out. Yeah. I'm just gonna take this thing off. That way we get more light. All these things, just gut it. Let's get it done. Would you look at that? The mattress is still white. Wow. Let's go ahead and get it out. Alright, so it rained last night and it's actually pretty dry inside. Our little tarp worked good, but unfortunately think it kept all the water inside. Yeah, so I think we need to do something different even for our temporary solution. That's a lot of water. Made a little pool on top. Just gotta get rid of that and then do something different about that. That can't be good. It's kind of funny though. So I have a plan. Poke it, drain it, get it out. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's kind of working. Might take a minute. So while that's draining, I'm gonna go ahead and work on this seat real quick. It's kind of still dirty. I washed it, but still kind of gross. It'd be nice just to get in, get out without getting too dirty. How about a seat cover? Go ahead and put it on here. I mean, this thing's pretty cool. It all works, goes up and down, limb back support. I mean, forward. It's really nice. The power seats are still working, so that's just to refurbish the seat, honestly. But for now, seat cover will do. Before and after. Fit in there nicely. Cool. So I got these white sheets, waterproof, made for like bathrooms and stuff. It's gonna be my temporary ceiling. Got a couple of them. Go on top, cover up my hole. Let's get it done. All right, guys, we're gonna give this thing a wash, make it look good. Hasn't had a wash in a while, but yeah, might as well. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and basically cover up my access hole. So I'm basically done with that since I already gutted it for now, but let's go ahead and put that back together. It looks a little better. Alright everybody, so we got this thing gutted out, cleaned out, even washed a little bit, put our little panels back on, and honestly, it looks pretty good. So let's talk about what we have. Alright guys, so let's definitely talk about the good that we have, because honestly there's bad, but I don't want to talk about that. Let's talk about what we have left and what, what's there after the fire. So we have MonroneyLabels.com. It's actually a site you could scan the VIN number or type it in and it'll tell you how much the book value is for it, basically the sticker price for it. So I actually looked this one up already, and it's 2017 F53, F550. So just the chassis alone costs $33,000. So that's just without everything else, just the engine, transmission, I guess, the chassis, and the frame, right?
The wheel suspension, pretty much. Yeah. Like drivable without the body.
Right. So that alone for 2017 sticker price was $33,000. That's kind of what we have left, I would say. But let's just go around and see what's going on with it. So first off, our tires are honestly really nice. These are solid Michelin tires all around, 22.5 or something like that.
Alloy wheels.
Yeah, if you look at it, these are aluminum rims, so that's an additional $1,000, I would say. Then the steel ones are lighter, better on gas mileage. I mean, honestly, that's definitely an upgrade, so that's pretty cool. I thought it was kind of neat on it. Pretty sweet. We were never actually able to open up the TV compartment.
Yeah, we don't have a key to it.
So I don't know what's in there. It could be $1 million. I'm just kidding. I don't know what's back there, but whatever. It is what it is. But overall, we went through all the other compartments, just looked at them, cleaned them up a little bit. Just got them all nice and clean. In the back, like I said, we have the nice Michelin tires, the dually, also aluminum rims back here.
Also the generators back here.
Yeah. I mean, I think it cleaned up pretty nice, not gonna lie. Nice. Look where the generator's at right here. So we looked this one up and they're about, I would say $2,000 to $3,000 easy. Being a 2017, I'm sure it has low miles, and being back here in the rear.
It does have miles, low hours.
Low hours, yeah, that's right. It's not like it's going somewhere, but yeah, I think that definitely helps. I mean, we basically got this thing for $5.5. let's say after gas and all this little Home Depot low stuff, we're at 6.5, let's just say, roughly. So overall, this thing itself was 3.5, about halfway there, back to our money. This rear end side looks really nice, honestly. Cleaned up nice. I mean, the Vesta, LX, Winnebago, pretty cool. Got a hitch back there, Winnebago. Yeah, rock solid. So if you could hear, it's actually running right now. This engine is solid for sure. These are reliable V10 engines. I looked on car parts. They basically go for about $8,000 alone. So the engine itself would pay for how much we got this thing. And you still got the transmission, the rear differential. I mean, all those things are definitely going to add up. So I think we got a good deal for it. It's still definitely worth a lot of money if you wanted to part it out. But I don't know what we're going to do right now, but still pretty sweet. But let's go ahead and check out the inside. That's still so nice. I really like how that does that. It's pretty sweet. All right, guys. So obviously it's still burnt in here, but I could actually move around freely. It's not that bad at all. I could, you know, talk without having a mask on, because last time it was almost unbearable in here. But hey, plenty of space. I mean, it's really easier to see what you could do with this. I'm reading a lot of comments. Turn it into an office. Turn it into this. Take the back section, put it over here, make it to a flatbed. A lot of great options, guys. I really love reading your comments, but yeah, not too bad. So I was actually able to find the original owner manual, I guess, for it. So all the chassis, supply mats, everything, and the window sticker prices in here as well, how much they paid for it. So dang, we got the sticker price for this thing when it was new, before the fire damage, $152,000, 554. So that's crazy with all like the delivery, all the little charges, and the total price, $152,000.
I mean, it was probably nice back in the day, Michael.
Yeah, I mean, even when I was getting, I was noticing like it had like really like marble countertop and stuff. It was, I don't know if it was marble, but it's definitely hard. It was good stuff and not as cheap, I guess. So definitely for that amount of money, pretty awesome. All right, guys. So we honestly try to get the slides to work, but might be a bad wire somewhere or something like that. We couldn't get to the circuit board, but honestly, that's okay. You know, we don't want to open it and get it stuck. They still have all the hardware for it. Honestly, these little aluminum rails are expensive. They're like 700, 800 bucks each. So you still have a lot of parts that are good. A lot of stuff is bad. But I also noticed that the hydraulic leveling system is flashing and seems to be working. So I think we just do on and then hit auto. And it says wait. So I guess that's a good thing. I hear it going. Let's check it out. And wow, just like that, I got a green light that we're level and we're loaded. I mean, I don't know if it's hydraulic or electric, but that's pretty sweet. Just click of a button, get stationed like that. Very nice. Still a lot of space back here. So this would all slide out. It's pretty cool, the master bedroom area. I don't even know what to do with it, really.
But yeah, check it out. There's what? There should be a TV right there on this side. And then there's the cabinet. This bed will slide out, and then it's got a little bathroom in the back. It's got what, a full-size shower.
Yeah, for sure.
A little toilet right there. Not too bad.
Not bad at all. All right, guys, so basically that's a quick overview of what's going on. But for now, I think that's all we're gonna do for it, because we need a lot of parts if we want to actually rebuild it. If you guys know somebody that has one for parts, let us know, that'd be great. Might pick one up on Copart again, but honestly, that's as far as we want to go working wise. We're probably gonna actually try to post it for sale and sell it as is now that it's actually a run and drive. We tested over for 700 miles. We know it doesn't overheat, it runs great. Yes, it needs a lot of love, but we just don't have the time for it right now since we actually bought another project and we have to get that Cobra finished. So our deadline's before Christmas. We're gonna get that Cobra finished. If you guys don't know our Cobra build, check out the link. We started a burnt Cobra about 2 years ago. We're definitely gonna get that thing knocked out. No problem there, but I think, like I said, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and sell this for now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Catch you next time.